Media filter cabinets accept several compatible filter types, depending on cabinet design and airflow requirements. Most cabinets are designed for extended surface media filters that are 32 by 20 by 3 inches or 20 by 20 by 5 inches, but always measure the cabinet opening before ordering a replacement. Select a filter that matches the cabinet frame depth and sealing method to avoid bypass. Choose a filter with a pleated media pack and a rigid frame for longer life and stable pressure drop. Check the minimum efficiency reporting value rating that your system supports. Higher efficiency media improves particle capture but raises resistance, so ensure the blower can handle the extra static pressure. If you are replacing an older fiberglass filter with media, inspect and, if needed, replace or refasten the cabinet gaskets so the media seals uniformly against the cabinet face. When installing, slide the filter into the cabinet so the airflow arrows on the filter face the furnace blower, and secure any retention clips or access panel to prevent vibration and gaps. For do-it-yourself purchases, bring the old filter dimensions and model photos to the hardware store or HVAC supplier to match the frame size, depth, and connector type. If the cabinet uses a clip or rail system, common mistakes start with ordering the wrong size, which leads to air bypass and poor filtration. Measure the cabinet interior and the filter frame lip and order a media filter sized to the cabinet specification. Another issue is selecting a filter with too high a resistance for the blower, so the system loses capacity. Consult the system manual for maximum allowable static pressure, or ask a technician and choose a medium efficiency media rather than the highest available if the blower is older. A third problem is poor sealing, where filters sit loose or panels do not close. Replace or repair cabinet gaskets and ensure retention clips or screws are tightened so the filter faces the blower with no visible gaps. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors find work related to HV and other home projects. We also host a discussion community on the site so homeowners and professionals can ask questions, share experiences, and compare filter brands and installation tips.